Hello, Arun. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear? Arun, can you hear us? Hello.
Good evening. Assalamualaikum.
So after 3 days, you are touching this area.
Yeah.
Good. You are the only.
What is the homework? What is the homework? Who's the
Where is the collection?
What is the table is that? Wow, it's nice. Right. This is more better. Now we are in classroom.
I'm changing.
Yeah. This is perfect. This is not perfect. Yes. Now we can study. Yes. Still two. This is my gel. Not twice. How everybody? Who's have exam tomorrow? Who have exam tomorrow? You new? You are not new? The first class? Before? Did you solve the homework last time? You skipped 2 classes. That's why I told you. That's why. إيه الأخبار؟ 2 minutes exactly. 2 minutes exactly will start. I have one engineering exam tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe he will come inshallah.
How to apply?
Our
When
homework.
to apply?
10 riyal. 10 riyal. How to apply?
To apply in for the exam.
How to apply to exam? When
you prepare the papers, all papers.
you can open up the account now.
I can open up.
You do account.
Yeah, I put my.
It's automatically.
Yeah, I have it before.
After you are going to have go for
Upload
register
data.
engineering.
Yeah.
Go with this one and start.
So I'm waiting till my papers comes already.
Okay, you have the study. But be careful, guys. Now they are very fast. I don't know why they are very fast. Maybe my opinion.
But still, 74 calling, 79 calling.
Yeah. I don't understand actually, but
Random people.
no, it's not like that. Maybe the 74 people was late because their documents somehow, but the current number now 76K to 77K.
78 call.
Yeah, 78 also. So I would like to say that the social distance is already getting reduced because the schools itself, they are increasing the percentage is to be 50%. It was 42%. It was 42%, and now the schools now getting 50%. What does it mean? Social distance is already getting lower. Small. يعني مثلا if for 2 meters they are making 1.2 meter, maybe. So the outcome from the exams numbers is coming more faster. More faster means expect يعني 82,000 now, 83,000 now is the application number. Hello. Yes, I collect 10 riyal, 10 riyal. Type. Let us start collecting now. Homework done. You can sit down here. You can sit down here. Up to you. You can bring the chair here. Up to you.
Yes.
You bring the chair here. Up to you. You can sit down. So now what we need collect homework for sure. That's I am trusting you. Went easy, son. Easy, very good. خلاص. Very fast to the guys. 22. Where is the 22? Where is the 2? لا, there is a 2. Yes, done. How much will this one be? لا. مش مشكلة هشرحها. ودي لا. Where is the bean? Here, yes. Where? Aywa, where's the folder? Where's the sheet? Only the sheet. Okay, you need something. I collected real from you from before. Why not this time? That's very good. No problem about answer. Guys, no problem about answer. But you told them what is the issue? But look, we are going to have more. We'll solve it, then we have. 1, What? What is this one? The shear stress. Shear stress. The which one? Yes, 21 and 22. 22 number 22. Show me your phone. Yes. This one. What is the second one? No. Yes. Which one? 1 and 2. Here.
Let's say.
That's not going to change it. How to 20%?
Where is the last two?
Question?
Of course. Of course, this is homework. Now, guys, how many questions we have to work?
Huh?
Yeah, guys. I am clear. طب let us see my WhatsApp. I will mute والله. يعني why you are killing me, guys? Why you are killing me? If 22 you are going to make, if my mistake I will not collect. Why you are guys? Let us see. Yes. Okay. Where? Yes. 22. Total number 22. Clear.
Okay, we printed, we have 20. I don't know.
يا عمي total number 22 1 and 2.
When? Where is the one?
يا أخي 1 all above. The above.
Many
What is
many
the
files.
above?
Many files. Homework.
خلاص I will neglect 2. I will neglect because خلاص no problem here. No problem. I don't like to collect money for nothing. Okay, next time I will be more clear. Okay. But you know, this two important.
Not like
I
administration.
want all of you again. The two numbers. Repeat it again. Repeat it
Okay.
Repeat it by your own.
Actually, so here.
Okay.
I will solve them. We have very important two questions. Number very important one, and this two. We have 20 and 2 separate. Yeah. This two very important. If you solve it by your own, now you put yourself in the trap. I don't like to solve everything, and then you are not doing it. How to study smart? This is the way. If I can give you everything. In the end, what you have to do? Nothing. Yes, this one. Okay, خلاص. خلاص. I will not collect anything. I will not finish. You did this one? Show me. I will not collect anything, but I want all of you to collect. Yes, this is nice. Very good. Where is yes, where is the 21 and 22? No problem. Okay, no, I will not collect. You are absent. Yeah. And you saw no more? You saw? Very good. Yes. Very good. No, I'm not talking about this homework. Homework is already. I have another one. Because you asked. I already, you have to go for our WhatsApp group. Check that very important. You saw here. Yes. Very good. That's okay. We'll discuss about it. Very good. Go ahead. I will solve this one. Okay. What is that? Last 21 and 20. The last. Yes. What about this one? This is wrong. Solve again. What about wrong? Both of them again. Your exam when?
I don't know.
You are WhatsApp me for our future.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I remember you now. See, I too much engineers are makes my life crazy. والله every يعني per day 200 SMS, 300. I couldn't.
Who's the one?
We have how many batches, you know? From 2019. Still some engineers who are not attending the exam. And they are sitting until now. And I could imagine that from 2019 until 21. So how many? So anyway, this is here. Ah, this is the second one. You are near. Show me. You are near that. Show me. And that's why, guys, I am not able to answer all this. I am sorry. I am apologize. I don't have time. Well, I don't have time. This is the problem. I am changing my performance now. I am letting all of you to solve by your own, and instead I'm giving it to you. But I will solve it to you better later. No problem. I will send it to you.
No way.
I will solve it now.
اليوم كله النهار.
What about you? What about you?
وبكره وبعد بكره كمان البرزنتيشن ونخلص
What about
البرزنتيشن.
no problem. But it's not.
نفس الشيء يعني اشتغل على القرارات.
It's okay, no problem. The other one,
بس يجي ياخذ جمعه نص الليل
what I will do, send away. What I will do.
ايه
Another thing we have. وبعدين I'm not happy. والله I'm not happy. So you
بس بتقدم بس
إن شاء الله.
3 اشهر 4 اشهر.
Sunday, coming Sunday, you will show me homework number 1.
يعني homework 4 اشهر
I think you don't do it 100 riyal.
بعد 3 اشهر.
Guys, be witness, please. This guy not solving the exam as a homework.
for the second time.
For second time, I will collect 10 riyal now again.
Double or not?
No, you put him on the ground and we step on his.
No. This is so harsh. We'll give another option, another penalty. Sunday, you have weekend. You have weekend, correct? Sunday, we will check the homework number 1 and the number 2. And if he not solves these 2 homework, I will collect 100 riyal.
You know, in Arabic.
You will solve it. Where is the 10 riyal? And you think I will leave you? I will. Okay.
بعده يلم اللولو. يلم اللولو.
Very good. Go ahead. Because I'm going to this one. No problem, but you try it. I am so much happy from this batch because inshallah it will my weight will come with the result. Again. The last one which I told you very important.
The last one, only this one.
No problem. So for sure you are a very smart man and I like you.
هو اللي بدنا نشتغل هذا ما اشتغلت بعد ما فكرت عليه.
I'm a smart man and you are in the end you are not solving nothing reaction. Sometimes no problem about doubts. No problem about doubts. I am solved. No problem. See? I said I like you. I said this you
But give me your hand.
لا أنا
But you don't know. How come? I will bring it to you. 1 minute. I will bring it to you now. I know. That, show me this one. Perfect, yeah, man. You saw this one?
But I don't know, maybe I have confused numbers.
But you already get this answer. Why you get this answer if you are 5.3? Okay. What about this one? 2. What about the 10? Is it 20? You solve. Yes, sure. Go ahead. What's this one?
العربية برا. انا حليت
حليت؟
14.
لا يبقى 10 ريال، ما هو ايه الفايده؟ ايه
14 من
14 من 20 1 مليون.
نسبة كبيرة.
لا مش نسبه كبيره. Guys, always the project team, whose project team? What project team? No problem. Which one is this one? Okay, fine. This one is the last one. I will check you. Don't worry.
Yes.
I will solve this one. Don't worry. You will solve my own. Don't worry. You will see. Trust process. I will explain you the class how to solve it and you will perfectly here. المهم علينا انت 14 تقول 14 طيب خلاص اللي بيصوم 19 I will collect 10 ريال. يعني if anyone جيب يلا على طول اب كده. انا بدأت في العربيه يبقى انا هاخد في العربيه بالفايده. طيب انت
تفضل.
لا قشطه. I am appreciating both of you. How did you find time, guys? Wallahi, really. Wallahi, you are stealing time. You are. Where is this last one? Where is the last one? No problem. But try to solve this.
I will do that, but I didn't know because I saw
There
that.
is some guys that don't collect from last class, but they are not here. They are not here. I don't know why they are not here. They are scared from
Because
me.
I didn't do that.
They are scared from me. Maybe they are scared. طيب.
They do not want to pay tax.
لا apply. They are online. يلا let's start. Look. In up. Your password is not. Your password is Wi-Fi password. Yes, please. We still have structure, homework number 2. This is third homework. This is third homework or the second one? Third homework, huh? Second homework and third homework we will solve it Tuesday. We will not solve anything now because we have fat class today. Very fat, we need to finish. Next class we're going to have concrete. Concrete is very simple. I will send the slides tomorrow morning. You just read it. And I will have 27 questions on concrete only. Which 3 or 4 questions common to everybody, 1 or 2 of them will come to our exam, 1 of 2. 1 or 2 from this 27 set of questions. Okay, so we don't need that much too much time in concrete. In soil, we have plenty of fat, very fat, and a lot of questions as well. So,
بدي اعود 10
الجيش المصري شو بيعمل؟
بيعمل ايه؟
وقت واحد يتخلف تعرف شو بيعمل الجيش المصري؟
الجيش المصري؟
ايه
الجيش المصري بنيل بنيل مش عارف بس
لا وقت حدا بيتخلف في الجيش
يتحط
المصري
في السجن.
لا بيبعتوه يلم اللولو.
يلم الزباله.
مش الزباله اللولو.
اللولو.
تعرف شو اللولو؟ لا
بس انا والله
هو اللي بيكونوا مستحرق. بيقدروا شو بيعملوا حاجتهم برا.
بس خلاص.
يلم اللولو.
طيب. فعلا بيعملوا كده. طيب let us go for our class. خلاص we have the plan now. Tuesday we'll have concrete. I will send the slides and I will solve the 2 homework and I will send the other homework tomorrow morning. We will solve it again Tuesday with the concrete, with the 27 questions in concrete, with little bit in structure, so we can cover as much as we can. Thursday we will have soil, fat. We cannot solve a lot, but let us focus on this one. Sunday next week we'll have about all the questions and our homework solving, and we will go for fluid and surveying. Other Tuesday we will go for traffic and roads and solving questions and answers. We will have 3 hours for slope and deflection, and in the end general topic. And I will dedicate it another more 3 hours for in general as a revision. Look, now we stop. You remember when we stop? We stop until we, what's the process? Identify, define scope. After define scope, create WBS.
Before you start, just
Okay.
one thing. We have classes Tuesday
And Thursday.
and Thursday.
Yes.
For Tuesday, we have
Concrete.
I mean-
Homework number 1, homework number 2 and 3.
I mean this one and what we
tomorrow.
do, and the two
And 2 questions.
questions, and anything else. Is it possible not to have anything because we have a lot of
We
work?
have a lot of time. A lot of topics we'll discuss.
Okay, but I mean for what is important for me is to know the homework because
Tomorrow or tomorrow?
huh?
Tonight I will send you.
No, don't send too much to have
La,
it for
10,
Tuesday.
10.
From Tuesday to Thursday, no
La,
problem.
10 questions only. 10 questions. 12. Sorry, 11. I will send it now. Guys, wait for the homework now. Okay, I understand.
No, but Tuesday because we have a lot of work. Believe me.
We can skip. We can skip this. Let us talk about it. We'll talk about it later. Let us focus on our class. I don't like to waste the time.
Okay.
I will discuss with once in the break or after we finish the class. Right. We finish when? We finish where? We finish in create WBS and work packages and OBS and WBS. OBS intersection between the organization breakdown structure, and to WBS. All of us, we went until so far. So number, how many questions we solve in our paper, in our exercise? How many ones? We solve number 2, صح? لا, still number 2. We solve number 3. We solve number 4. We solve number 5. صح كده؟ يبقى we solve 6 not yet. 7 not yet. 8 not yet. 9. I am talking about the exercise. It's not the slides. We have slides and we have exercise. Last exercise. This is the homework. Where is our project management exercise? Yes, you are correct. Where is our project management exercise? The 12 number question. Number 9, we solve it. Number 9, we solve it. Yeah. And the number 10, we solve it. Yes. We still have number 11 and the number 12. صح كده؟ Yes. طيب حلو. Let us go for our validated scope. Validate scope. Validate scope. Validate scope. One question coming to you, I will write it right now here. And I will tell you the answer after we have a story. Tell me what's the answer. Okay? After we have a story. What is that? This is from your exam. And this is copy-based. What is question telling you? I will put it here and I will explain validated scope here. Which, very important. Which of the following is already have this one, guys. We already have this one. Sorry. Question. Inspection. Inspections are also called select one answer. A, product review. B, audit. C, walk through. D, all answer are true. Head. Always I am telling this story. When we have the guard rooms, you remember our guard rooms in our hospital? These guard rooms have what? Have 4 foundations. These 4 foundations is like that. I'm telling you stories from the lifetime, your lifetime, your work lifetime. Daily basis, happen every day. And our projects happen every day.
Section.
No, this plan. Guard room, huh? Guard room have 4 foundation and ground floor. That's ground floor. This is your scope. You are going to have excavation for 4 foundation and start. Once you finish the excavation, what will start? BCC. BCC done. When you are casting BCC, what you have in your hand? What you have in your hand as we are contractor, a scope baseline. In your hand, the scope baseline. The scope baseline telling you what? Telling you what? Telling you this is for foundation. The size of foundation, the quantity to cover BCC, how many man hours required, how many quantities, blah, 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 blah. Everything. The message statement. How you are going to execute this BCC. BCC done. Finish. Okay? When you have the shuttering system, this is the shuttering system for RCC foundation. You have now in your plan, and you went to site. You went to site, you have a construction manager or site engineer or project manager. What is the procedures for request for an inspection? What is the procedure or process or steps to ask you finish the activity already? What is the first step you have to do as a contractor? As a contractor,
You apply. You ask the consultant, you prepare the drawing.
I already did the activity. Again,
You do a pre-inspection.
I am going to inspect my work first. صح? I am going to inspect my work first. Right, you found out this is a drawing telling you this foundation should be 2 meters. And this length is 1 meter. Assume what you have been already discovered, that's the actual now. The actual is another color. The actual is 1.8, and here actual is 0.8. 1.9, and this is 1.2. 1.2. Bigger.
You get the calculation, the structure, you show it to the consultant.
Let me, okay, very good. Perfect, because you are consultant side. I will tell you what, because these guys, they don't know. Just wait. What you have to do now, you have to inspect. You found out, you went down the bit, calculate 1.9, 1.2. You will keep silent. You will keep silent until the consultant side, he will inspect. Or what you have to do? 100%. The consultant asking you before submit request for an inspection, you have to submit your report for your inspection. You already have report. What is this report? Should be checklist or whatever, a format, a checklist, report, whatever, anything, we agree about this one in consultant with client and as a three of us sit down on one table. This is a procedure for an inspection. What you have to do when you found like that, you told him this is 2 meters and this is 1 meter, checklistica. You have how many options to solve this issue? You have issue, I have issue. Fix it. You can fix it. You can fix it. يبقى rework. صح؟ I will rework. For sure 100% guys. If this foundation impacted the other foundation, for sure 100% something wrong happened. I am just telling you my experience. If one foundation had been wrong, يبقى the distance between these two foundations, you are measured. صح؟ You are measured. For sure 100% all have problems. I'm just giving you example. Or you can submit non-compliance report. This is what you are telling. Non-compliance report. This non-compliance report, I am going to tell, I found out this is foundation is 1.92. What is the criteria? What is the criteria? I judge myself, I did something wrong. There is a criteria. Tolerance. Tolerance. We have shop drawing. I am following shop drawings. But there is tolerance. Who told you that is 1.9 is wrong? Who told you? There is tolerance. Tolerance telling you plus minus 2%. Plus minus. Yeah, this should be 2 meters. No one in any, except aliens, maybe aliens, they are doing perfect. But as a human being, no way, no way. You cannot. There is minus plus. Anything minus plus. Minus plus here is 2%. Assume. Who telling you 2%? Specification. General notes. Contract condition. Any type of information you found it out, 100% should be in the specification. Should be in our specification. Okay? 2% means what? The criteria now means what? 2% means 4 centimeters. Yani this could be what? Could be 2.04 or 1.96. You are telling him in your compliance report, the tolerance is blah, 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 blah. And I found out this is 1.9 and this is 1.96 and this is already shorter by 6 centimeters. And here is longer by, okay? For me, as a structural engineer, nothing a problem, no problem. This is the ground floor and. But you told him. You told him, correct? What he will do, what his impression? Assume 2 cases. You don't tell him, you don't told him, and you already told him. What is the impression now? Tell me. The first one, if you don't told him, he can reject it. Or if he's very, very good man and the kind man, he told you, it's okay. This is it, but don't repeat it, sir. But in the end, he will be keeping in his heart, there is something wrong with this guy. Because how comes the other? Okay, I'm telling you one foundation. For me, it will be 4 foundations. Sir? Or you are going to tell him before he will go. So he will go. He will go with you as a walkthrough, check 1 foundation, and I am happy. Khalas, okay, yeah, this is the ground floor. The quantity of concrete you are going to be more. The quantity, if you are saying the quantity of concrete here, yani even you are going to rework, or you are custom as have its defect like that, it's cost you anyway. Yani rework, well not rework, it cost you. So you decided Cast it like that, as a project manager or construction manager or site engineer. But you told them, you gain trust. You told these people, they are very clever people because they knew what they are doing. It's a mistake happen, no problem. So let us go for our exercise here. Forget about this one. Forget about this one. I will tell you about it later. Listen. Number two. While working in final stages of a project, of a job. Number two, exercise number two. While working in final stages of a job, you notice that a small clause in the contract has been evaluated accidentally. Are this your contract? Part from your, yes. This is your part from the, yes. You have to do everything as the specification tell you. As the specification tell you. The consultant is validated scope. But what you are doing, the consultant is validated scope. How? Check. This is 2 meters and 1 meter? Or there is 4 foundation? Or not? Maybe you put 3 foundation only. Who knows? Sah? But you before him, what you did? You check. What exactly the process name? Consultant, validated scope, and quality control. You are doing quality control. Who is doing this inspection? Your quality control engineer, correct? QA, QC. It's not site engineer. The site engineer execute. Who will inspect? QA, QC. We call it inspection. Inspection.
With the QS.
QS.
With the QS.
Inspection. Walk through. The guy go with you, walk through to check that. After you tell him non-compliance report, non-compliance report, he still insists to check you. He still insists to check you. He found out this is 0.9, correct, as you told. And this is 1.2, correct. Khalas, okay, non-compliance report, he told him this is the ground floor, the quantity, and this is nothing, no impact, no structural impact. The building will not collapse. Agreed. Let us go for number 2. We'll come back again. Don't worry. Right. While working in a final stage of the job, you notice that a small clause in the contract has been evaluated excellently. What should you do? Number 1, go for number B. Fire the person who caused the contract. The contract. Cause يعني حلو أوي. Fire him. يلا. You are going to fire a little bit. Actually, if you are a project manager and you are firing, everyone has mistake. You after 1 month you will not find in your team. Fire yourself again. Your number B is wrong. Tell number A, tell the client about the discrepancy and ask him, hey, then what to do? Wanna look for the loophole. Loophole كده. There is a lot of loopholes. But don't use it every time, everywhere. But because the consultant and the client will tell you, this man is very clever, man, will not do again work with him. Be flexible. Don't catch, don't easy going. كده ايه بلاي ايه احساس بالبرد بلاي ايه quiet play nice, don't harm. Look for a loophole in the contract that would enable you to avoid redoing the work. But how can I am going to avoid the rework here? I can't do the loophole. I can't do the loophole. How? There is a lot of ways. Foreman, when the guy mission do like that, release 2 centimeters. The guy, this guy is very easy. Fire alarm. Just only he will not come or come. He will not come or he will come. In the checklist, make it 2. Make it 2. Don't make it 1 point. Don't make it 1.9. Make it 2. The construction manager, he knew the people inspect. All of us, when we have a project 1 year, from first month, we understand exactly What is our consultant? The people, the team, their team. Who's doing good? Who's doing bad? Who's very tough? Who's doing strict? Who's easygoing? Who's? Okay, صح ولا لا? So of course. So I can do what? I can do this. Is no code. This is no. I can rework. I can. I will not rework. The guy from his office approved. Yeah, this for foundation. What is your?
No, actually, this is not in the country.
I am just giving you example.
This is
Yes, I
this
understand.
is
There is a lot of
unethical behavior.
yes, there is a lot of loophole. You can do it in the contract.
Yeah.
If you go for a contract, you will find a lot. But I'm just giving example for the junior engineers, the mid-level of our engineers here, because a lot of engineers is not senior. Like if you are going to discuss about contract and the FIDIC, let us have discussion from here until tomorrow.
No, but when you say loophole, the meaning of the word
Loophole, that's
no.
loophole, something, we can call it it's not straight.
Yeah.
Something is not straight.
No. This meaning and the contract administration.
ثغرة.
ثغرة.
Loophole. Yes, ثغرة.
ثغرة بالعربي يعني
ثغرة يعني something, some a
in the
hole,
contract.
how you can go through it.
Yes, in the contract.
I understand.
Yeah, but not here.
Legal.
This is a behavior.
Behavior, loophole, look, I understand very well what you are telling, but let us go for the medium.
Okay.
The medium A, the medium
Actually, there are two things that I have to add. Eventually, the inspection starts when you start on the woodwork. I mean the formwork. So you can inspect this on the formwork level.
Yes, formwork only, because first of all, we check formwork.
Yeah.
Second, steel enforcement, fixing. Third, casting. After casting, you check again.
Yes. Sure.
You have how many checks? 3 check.
If you did,
If you did here, you'll not escape from here. I
if
understand.
you after this you did, and you have 1.9 by 1.2.
You are going to. I'm telling you, a lot of engineers, consultants, even they are found it like.